Control number 15952, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, ma'am, madam. I'm Janeline D. Molina, 25 years old. I have married. I have one son. He's only 4 years old. I have one brother, and I'm the youngest.
Okay. So, how old was your child?
4 years old, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any experience working abroad?
No, ma'am.
How about here in the Philippines as a house helper?
Yes, ma'am.
For how many years?
1 year.
1 year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how about your educational attainment again?
Undergrad.
Of what?
Computer secretariat.
Computer, okay. So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I would like to work Hong Kong to fulfill my dreams, to help my family and to earn money. And I would like to experience why so many Filipino women go to Hong Kong. And I would like to learn the cultural and tradition.
Okay, very good. So, here in the Philippines, you experienced to work for 1 year.
Yes,
For how many family members?
One baby, 6 months, and 2 children.
How old?
8 years old and 7.
Okay. And one couple?
Yes,
Okay. So, how many house helpers are with you in the house?
4.
House helpers?
1.
You're only one?
Yes.
So, your main duties are?
When my madam is out, I carry the baby, and sometimes he take care the store for me. He trusts me to take care of the store.
Okay. Store of what?
Sari-sari store.
Okay. So, who's the one taking care of the children?
Me.
You also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Same with the baby?
Yes.
Okay. How about the household works?
Me too.
You also?
Yes, ma'am.
So, in your daily routine, can you tell us your everyday daily routine?
If the mother...
First thing in the morning, what are you doing?
I clean the house and cook. And after, the children go to school and the baby take her with me. Then,
lunchtime?
lunch